People choose different ones. It varies by person to person, and that's why with my financial plan it's custom, because who am I to say what one works best for whoever? So I think majority of people are going to go with what fits their personality. I've had clients tell me like, yeah, I know you love the avalanche method, Bree, but I'm doing the snowball method because this works best for me. I just need them small wins. And then there's other folks like, ooh, you know that emotional method, that sounds real good to me. I ain't never think about it like that. Let me go ahead and pay that off because I do got a few of those. And if I don't handle those while it's on my mind to like, oh, I'm in the spirit of getting out of debt, let's do it, then it's not going to happen. Because then you don't get back in that spirit of, they better pay it off. I'm not going to do it. So I think that it just really varies person to person. I can't say which one people choose most. It's like so important to gear it towards personality types, because how I do things may not be how you do things or the next person wants to do things. And so all I care about is, did we reach our goal? Yes? Cool.